Hi, my name is Savannah, and this is just a little bit about me. So, my full name is Savannah Lynn Seagraves. My birthday is in October, and I am 21 years old. My major is elementary education, and this will be my senior year. And then by next fall, hopefully, I'll be able to student teach. This is my family, so I am the oldest of 4 children. I'm 21. My next youngest sister is 19, then my brother is 16, and then the littlest sister is 10. And in our family, we also have a dog whose name is Tipton, and then we have 3 cats. The orange one is Mercury, the white and mixed one is Sphinx, and then my cat is the brown and black one, and his name is Oliver. So I have a boyfriend, and his name is Josh, and we have been dating for about 2.5 years now, and we adopted a dog, and his name is Rango. Some of my favorite things is Harry Potter. I'm a huge Harry Potter nerd. I actually went to Universal Orlando a couple years ago with Josh, and we were able to go and do all of the Harry Potter things, which was super fun for me. My favorite book is The Goblet of Fire, and it's also one of my favorite movies. Another one of our favorite hobbies is Josh and I love to go to OU basketball games, OU football games, and we also love Thunder. And we actually just bought season tickets for the OU football season, so I'm super excited about that. So I'm going to be able to go to all the games. And that's just a little bit about me.